Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Scratch Remover is probably one of the most sought-after products for car owners who are passionate about maintaining the pristine condition of their vehicles. Dealing with deep, unsightly scratches can be frustrating, but with the right tools and techniques, restoring your car's paint to its former glory is entirely possible. This video will take an in-depth look at the best scratch removers on the market, helping you choose the perfect product to tackle even the most stubborn imperfections and get that showroom shine back. Number 5. Carfidant Scratch Remover. Say goodbye to light scratches and swirls. Our special compound, used with the included buffer pad, easily removes years of wear, restoring your car's paint to its former glory. It's so easy, anyone can do it. This isn't just scratch removal, it's a complete paint restoration. It removes water spots, oxidation, and other contaminants, bringing back your car's original shine and gloss. Watch your car's paint sparkle again. We use only the best, professional-grade chemicals in our formula. No unnecessary dyes or scents, just pure, effective cleaning power. It's safe and easy to use. It's safe for all paint colors and types. Whether you have clear coat, single-stage, or multi-stage paint, you can use it with confidence. It works on any car. This is an effortless and safe way to remove scratches from your vehicle. It's the ultimate solution for a perfect paint job. Get ready to be amazed. We're car enthusiasts and professionals who developed this product. We use it ourselves and stand behind its quality completely. We're confident you'll love the results. What we like. This scratch remover is incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. It's formulated with premium chemicals, ensuring a safe and effective clean for all paint types. If you're looking for a user-friendly solution that works on any car, this is it. Number 4. Carfidant Black Scratch Remover. It's specially formulated for black and dark-colored car paint. You can use it safely on any clear coat, single-stage, or multi-stage paint. Easily fix light scratches and swirls on your car. The included buffer pad and special compound will remove years of wear and tear. This will not only remove scratches and swirls, but it'll also restore your paint's shine and gloss, bringing it back to its original brilliance. It even removes water spots and oxidation. It's made with the best chemicals. It's professional grade, yet easy for anyone to use. We don't use unnecessary dyes or scents. We're professionals in car detailing, and we stand by our product. Try it and see the difference. What we like. This product is specially designed for black and dark-colored vehicles. It's just as easy to use as the others, but provides superior restoration for dark paints. If you own a black car and want to restore its shine, this is your best bet. What people say. The packaging. Solid and robust. The contents. A concoction of restoration magic, a microfiber cloth, and an easy-to-follow instruction guide. The process was surprisingly straightforward, and with a little elbow grease, we were off to the races. I kid you not, the scratch started to fade. The Carfidant Scratch and Swirl Remover Kit had not just reduced the visibility of the scratches, but in some cases, they were completely gone. Number 3. Chemical Guys COM_129_16 VSS. Say goodbye to swirls and scratches. This easy-to-use polish quickly removes defects and leaves a mirror-like finish in just one step. It restores a lustrous, scratch-free shine without hiding imperfections. See the difference it makes. Perfect for light to moderate scratches and swirls, it cuts through tough marks and polishes to a brilliant shine, saving you time and effort. This powerful polish works hard like a compound and finishes with the precision of a fine polish. Experience the difference. Chemical Guys is the trusted brand for car lovers worldwide, known for top-quality products and exceptional customer support. It's more than a brand, it's a lifestyle. What we like. This one-step polish saves you time and effort by cutting and polishing simultaneously. It delivers a stunning mirror-like finish. If you value efficiency and want a quick, high-quality result, this is the product for you. What people say. It's so effective that I'm now convinced it's secretly a wizard in a bottle. As I started buffing away, I half expected my truck to start glowing like it was on a mission to outshine the sun. Instead, the scratches and swirls began disappearing faster than my excuses for not washing the truck. The effect was almost immediate. The scratches that once mocked me with their existence were now nothing but a distant memory. Number 2. 3D Speed Polish and Wax. It's the ultimate all-in-one car polish and wax. This advanced formula cuts through light swirls and scratches while protecting your car's finish with a wax coat. Get amazing results in a single application. Tired of dull paint? It revives your car's original clarity and depth, delivering a wet, mirror-like gloss. It brings out the best in your finish, leaving it smooth, vibrant, and protected. It's designed for speed and simplicity. This polish and wax goes on easily and wipes off clean. Use it by hand or with a polisher, it's a time saver for everyone. It tackles minor surface imperfections like light scratches, swirl marks, and oxidation. Safe for clear coats, it levels defects while protecting your paint. Backed by over 25 years of innovation, it's proudly made in the USA and trusted by professional detailers worldwide. You know it delivers real results, performance you can count on. What we like. This all-in-one polish and wax simplifies the process by combining correction and protection. It's incredibly easy to apply and leaves a beautiful, glossy finish. If you want a simple solution for a quick shine and protection, this is perfect for you. What people say. The polish itself is purple, smells like grape bubblegum, doesn't dust at all from what I can tell, and is very effective without having to use anything more than about 3 pea-sized drops per panel. It wipes off fairly easily, but being an LSP, there is some resistance in wiping off the product once it hazes. Nothing close to the level of difficulty in removing an oily finishing polish, though. Also, the LSP beads really well. It looks really nice on metallic colors as well. Additionally, I used it for polishing the side and rear windows and couldn't have been happier with the results. Number 1. Chemical Guys V-Line Kit. This all-inclusive kit has everything you need to achieve a flawless finish on your vehicle. It's perfect for tackling various levels of imperfections, from heavy scratches to light swirls. It effectively tackles heavy scratches, swirl marks, and even wet sanding scratches. You'll be amazed at how well it removes imperfections. The kit includes polishes to refine gloss and clarity. It leaves your car with a brilliant shine, perfect for newer cars or after compounding. It features microabrasive technology for precision and clarity in restoration. This ensures a superior finish without damaging your vehicle's paint. This kit is formulated without fillers, so what you see is what you get. You'll enjoy genuine, long-lasting results that you can be proud of. From heavy-duty compounds to fine polishes, this kit provides everything for a professional-looking finish. Get yours today. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to tackle scratches of all severities. It includes compounds for heavy scratches and polishes for enhancing shine. If you need a complete solution for various scratch levels, this comprehensive kit is ideal. What people say. One pass removed 90% of the scratches. Second pass, they were 99% removed. Doing the whole side of the truck took a half hour or so and left the truck much more shiny than the other side. I used the V34 polish with the Porter Cable 7424 XPDA that I purchased in CG Orange Hex Pad. I buffed out all scratches from the hood of my wife's 2003 Corolla, then followed up with the white Hex Pad V36 then V38 polish. Wow! Looks like new again. Used this set in combination with Chemical Guys Claybar Kit, and wow! 14 plus years of dirt and swirls came right out. Started by giving the bike a wash with the clean slate wash from the Claybar kit, then went over it with the Claybar. Then proceeded through each of the 4 polishing compounds in this kit with a cheap set of 3 inches polishing pads and my corded drill. Dabbed it on and started slow to spread it, then a few passes a bit faster, one final pass at top speed, then wiped off the residue with a microfiber towel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.